Hello, lovely kids. Welcome to your favorite aunt. How are you all? Today you will learn one many with your favorite aunt. Now let's start. Noun can be one, that is singular, or many, that is plural. Let's begin. Kids, please check rule number 1. Mostly we add s to make plural nouns like one book, many books. Please repeat. One book, many books. One umbrella, many umbrellas. Kids, please repeat. One umbrella, many umbrellas. One cup, many cups. Please repeat. One cup, many cups. One ball, many balls. Kids, please repeat. One ball, many balls. One cat, many cats. Please repeat. One cat, many cats. One chair, many chairs. Please repeat. One chair, many chairs. One tree, many trees. Kids, please repeat. One tree, many trees. One flower, many flowers. Please repeat. One flower, many flowers. One car, many cars. Please repeat. One car, many cars. One bell, many bells. Please repeat. One bell, many bells. One pencil, many pencils. Kids, please repeat. One pencil, many pencils. One dog, many dogs. Please repeat. One dog, many dogs. One ant, many ants. Please repeat. One ant, many ants. One apple, many apples. Please repeat. One apple, many apples. One elephant, many elephants. Please repeat. One elephant, many elephants. One star, many stars. Please repeat. One star, many stars. One horse, many horses. Please repeat. One horse, many horses. One jug, many jugs. Please repeat. One jug, many jugs. One balloon, many balloons. Please repeat. One balloon, many balloons. One boat, many boats. Kids, please repeat. One boat, many boats. One hat, many hats. Please repeat. One hat, many hats. Now kids, rule number 2. A singular noun ending in s, x, z, ch, sh makes the plural by ending es. For example, one fox, many foxes. Please repeat. One fox, many foxes. One box, many boxes. Kids, please repeat. One box, many boxes. One bus, many buses. Please repeat. One bus, many buses. One watch, many watches. Kids, please repeat with me. One watch, many watches. One bench, many benches. Kids, please repeat. One bench, many benches. Now there is rule number 3. If singular noun ends in O, then we can add es to make it plural. For example, one tomato, many tomatoes. Please repeat. One tomato, many tomatoes. One potato, many potatoes. Please repeat. One potato, many potatoes. Yes, kids, there is an exception that in some nouns ending with O are made plural by adding only S. For example, photo. One photo, many photos. Please repeat. One photo, many photos. One piano, many pianos. Please repeat. One piano, many pianos. There are some irregular nouns also. For example, one man, many men. Please repeat. One man, many men. One foot, many feet. Please repeat. One foot, many feet. One woman, many women. Kids, please repeat. One woman, many women. One tooth, many teeth. Please repeat. One tooth, many teeth. One child, many children. Please repeat. One child, many children. Yes, kids, there is another rule that if the noun ends with F or FE, the F is often changed to VE before adding the S to form the plural noun. For example, wolf, one wolf, many wolves. Please repeat. One wolf, many wolves. One knife, many knives. Please repeat. One knife, many knives. Kids, there is also an exception that in some nouns ending with F, we made it plural by only S. For example, roof, one roof, many roofs. Please repeat. One roof, many roofs. One chef, many chefs. Please repeat. One chef, many chefs. Hey kids, there is another rule that if the singular noun ends with Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, then we simply add S to make it a plural. For example, boy, one boy, many boys. Please repeat. One boy, many boys. One key, many keys. Please repeat. One key, many keys. Now please check another rule that if a singular noun ends with Y and the letter before Y is a consonant, then we have to change the ending to IES to make it a plural. For example, cherry, one cherry, many cherries. Please repeat. One cherry, many cherries. One puppy, many puppies. Please repeat. One puppy, many puppies. Hey kids, there are some examples in which singular and plural, both the nouns are same. For example, sheep, one sheep, many sheep. Please repeat. One sheep, many sheep. One fish, many fish. Kids, please repeat. One fish, many fish. Hello kids, this is a test time now. Let's start. Please have a look at the first picture. Yes. What it is? Correct. This is one book, many books. Now, please check next picture. Yes. Right. This is one ball, many balls. Now please check next picture. Correct. This is one apple, many apples. Now, please check next picture. Yes, what it is? Right, this is one balloon, many balloons. Please check next picture. Yes, correct. This is one box, many boxes. Now please check next picture. Right, this is one bus, many buses. Please check next picture now. Yes, right. This is 1 foot, many feet. Now please check next picture. Yes, correct. This is one chef, many chefs. Thank you.